you a rule breaker or a rule follower? I'm often asked which I enjoy working with more, rule breakers or rule followers. And this is really an interesting question as each has value. In business, a diverse personality pool is a good thing. Rule followers are conscientious types that like details and structure. The rule breaker tends to be self-motivated and may not ask for permission. They simply do. The distinct personality traits of each are rule followers. They love structure, documentation, they're highly detailed, they complete tasks as outlined, they're resistant to change, they dislike vague policies. However, rule breakers, creative thinkers, great problem-solving skills, outside-of-the-box thinkers, may appear lazy, they hate restrictions, can introduce chaos. And as a business owner, you need to come to terms with how to map out a way for both types to get along. You must create a positive work environment that lends to complementary teams and successful projects. This can be challenging, but can turn conflict and chaos into opportunities and progress. Listening, understanding, and basically respecting all points of view is critical. Conflict can be good if managed properly. Your business must provide a safe place where people can work through their personality conflicts with respect. Respect builds trust. Hey, thanks for watching. Come back each week for new videos. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our educational content.